Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. It is Thursday, and it looks like it's going to be a stupendously hot day today. That's the reason for my hair being in a bun, because I am headed out to the grocery store, and I thought that I would do a haul today for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and remember, I'm Heidi. Welcome to Kroger Haul. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. And I just want to say that I really do appreciate all the views that I have been receiving, as well as all the thumbs up and the comments. I am loving it. It is so nice to make connections with all of you. You guys are truly my friends. So thank you so much for your support of Kiddos Corral. So my husband and I just had coffee. I just got dressed. I'm wearing this cute little summer number here. And I'm feeling kind of yellow today, a little yellow. I love this blouse because it may not look, what do I want to say? It may not be the most youthful looking shirt on me, I guess I'm trying to say. But I love the yellow. It gets me in a good summery mood, and I just love it. And I put on a little tiny bit of makeup today, just a little bit, so I don't scare anybody while I'm out, because I will have a mask on, like everybody else. So I got to get going, because my ride will be here. I'm going with my friend, my lovely neighbor who puts up with me so much. And I'm going to be headed out soon, so come along with me, go shopping. Hello, everybody. I just got home, and I've got to tell you guys, it is stifling outside today. So it took me a little while to bring everything in from the car, but I am inside, and the air feels so good. And I'm going to make some lunch here in a little bit, but I wanted to share with you everything that I bought today. Now, understand, I did go to Aldi, but I also ran into Kroger, and I just grabbed a couple of things, and I will share that with you as well. So, let's see. Where should I start on this table? Because it is very piled up. Okay, so I got some fruit snacks, some cereal. This cereal, honestly, I was bad buying this, because once I start eating it, I can't stay out of it. I've got some oatmeal, some powdered sugar. I got some 6-grain crackers right there. I bought Ronnie's favorite egg rolls. These are so good, and they are so easy to fix in the oven. I got some hot Italian sausages. I think we're actually maybe going to eat these tonight or tomorrow. Not sure. Now, tomorrow we might have some tacos. I'm not sure what we're going to do. We haven't decided yet, because we're going swimming tomorrow. So we might. I bought these breakfast sandwiches. They looked really good. And I like something very fast and very easy on a day that I'm leaving and I'm not staying around here. So I just bought these to try. I've never actually had their breakfast sandwiches, so I will let you guys know if they are any good. They look good. Let's see. I got some peaches, and I got a couple things of peaches, and I got a couple things of black olives. I got, let's see here, crushed pineapple, as well as pineapple tibbits, because I like my fruit. Vanilla extract. A thing of Gain laundry pods. It seems to me like I don't go through this in a month, but every time I go to Aldi's, I just grab a bag. And I have a container in my laundry room, and I just keep it full. And that way, I never run out, because I just grab one of these. This little bag here is like $4 and some change. I also bought some Brussels sprouts. Have not had Brussels sprouts in a long time, and they just sounded so good. Some dry Italian salami, which we are going to eat here in a little bit. I'm going to put it in a sandwich maker with some cheese and bread. Oh, it's going to be so good. I bought some baking mix because I make my beer rolls with this. And I'm going to set this on the floor. Some essential oils. Am I upside down? No, I'm not upside down. Okay. Some taco seasoning. Some chive and onion cream cheese. Butter. Some General Tso's chicken sauce. Yum. All right. I'm going to try to show you this. Mexican style cheese. Got a couple of those. Got a couple mozzarella cheeses as well. Here's another bag of Brussels sprouts. Some tater tots. Let's see what we got here. We got some green beans. Love these beans. I could eat the heck out of these things. Some more taco seasoning, and the rest is brown gravy. Love that. Some pepperoncinis to go with pizza because we love those. Some all-purpose flour, some green grapes I'm going to freeze. I love frozen green grapes. Delicious. Delicious. Some scalloped potatoes in a box. You don't get any more simple than that for a side. And I have no hiding the fact that I use some mixes. Olive oil. The words will come to me. Some vanilla wafers. Going to make some banana pudding. Some French toast sticks. I'm going to make some. My neighbor gave me a recipe for spaghetti salad. Going to give it a whirl. Got some Italian zesty salad mix. Yum yum. This is my favorite pasta sauce, the tomato, basil, and garlic. It's the one with the purple lid, and it's getting harder and harder to find at my Aldi's. 3 things of cottage cheese because my husband and I love the cottage cheese. Him more than I. Vegetable oil. 4 things of chicken rice. 1 package of Jiffy muffin mix because I already had one, and I like to keep 2 on hand because I'll make that to go with beans and make beans and cornbread. A tube of the jumbo biscuits. A thing of applesauce. A family thing of ground beef. Some bell peppers. A giant jar, my favorite, peanut butter. It's from Aldi's. It's got a good creamy peanut butter taste to it. I really like their peanut butter. I don't know if I showed this already, but some vanilla pudding, some baking soda, because I need some extra on hand, some sliced mushrooms, some Flex garbage bags, and it's upside down, Flex garbage bags. I like the scented ones, the fresh scented ones, and I'm going to tell you, it's going to sound terrible review, and I'm not being paid I'm not sponsored by any of this. I bought some hefty Flex bags, and every single one of them just about ripped on me. These are way less, and I never had a single one tear on me at all. And these are from Aldi's and way cheaper. So the Flex bags, really, really good bargain. Really good bargain, in my opinion. Got some more bananas, some celery, which I love celery. Another thing of General Tso's chicken sauce. Because when chicken goes on sale, I'm going to stock up. And Ronnie and I absolutely love that. I got some sweet kale chopped salad mix. I'm going to give that a whirl. I think my son was the one that told me about this. He said, oh, I love it, I love it. So he may have been the one to get me to buy that. This is Italian bread. 2 things of their brand of Doritos. 1 ranch, 1 cheddar. A thing of Diet Coke. And let me see what else here. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. My bags are on the floor. This is real filming here, guys. Got a thing of milk. And, oh my goodness. a thing of russet potatoes. Look how big these potatoes are. They're humongous, aren't they? They're huge. Huge, huge, huge. Okay, so I'm going to put this up, and then I'll show you what I bought from Kroger, and I also bought one other thing from Aldi's, and I will share that with you as soon as I get this put up. Well, I'm back. I bought a watermelon today. This came from Aldi's, and now I'm going to show you what was left of what I bought from, well, I have one thing from Aldi's, and I'll show that at the end because it's over here on the other side of the room. But what I got from Kroger was I got some Glass Plus. I got some Lysol cleaner. My favorite Method all-purpose cleaner. Absolutely love this stuff. Cannot say enough. It smells so good. And the more I clean with it, the more I want to clean. Got the Arm & Hammer Clean Sensations. And it is the Purifying Waters scent. Really, really good. I love it. 2 things of blueberry Pop-Tarts. Because you cannot get these at Aldi's. All they have is strawberry or brown sugar. Sometimes they'll have s'mores, but they never have the blueberry. And that's our favorite. I've got one more thing. I'm going to share it with you, and then we'll close this out. And I'm going to make some lunch. So lastly, what I purchased was the seat cover. They had these on sale today at Aldi. I thought this was so pretty. Ronnie has a very ugly chair. Actually, it's not that bad. But the cushions in it are so worn and so unattractive. And we're going to put it out front here. And I just told him, I said, I'm going to get you a new cushion for it. And so today I did. And that's how it goes on the seat right there. I just thought that was so pretty. I love the print. I love that. And I almost tempted to go back and get 2 more of just the seats because I have 2 chairs out here and that would make it very comfortable out here if I had that. So I may go back and get the seats. I don't know, but I love this. So pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming shopping with me today and seeing my purchases. It is a hot day, but I did get it done. I had a good day out. I had a Starbucks that I have not had in a very, very long time. I have not had a Starbucks in what seems like forever. I think the last time I had a Starbucks was with my son right before Ronnie and I got married. So it was over a year ago. So I'm going to fix some lunch for me and Ronnie. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Show me some love and hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below if you have found any new products at Aldi's that you think I should try, or Kroger. I love to try new things. It is so great that you have tuned in today. Have a fabulous, stay cool. Have a fabulous week, guys. Bye.